Today, we're exploring the journey of Michelle Kwan, the most decorated figure skater in U.S. history, who dominated the ice for over a decade with her signature artistry and grace. After winning 5 world championships and 2 Olympic medals, Quan transitioned from the rink to the world stage, building a distinguished career in international relations and diplomacy. So, where is Michelle Kwan now? Let's find out. Michelle Kwan's second act has been defined by a decommitment to public service and global diplomacy. After earning a master's degree in international relations from Tufts University, she served in several high-level advisory roles at the U.S. State Department. Her political journey reached a historic milestone in 2022 when she was appointed the U.S. ambassador to Belize, becoming the first Asian American woman to hold that position. For over 2 years, she oversaw key bilateral initiatives, including regional security and economic development, while representing American interests in Central America. Quan's life has entered a more private and family-oriented phase. Following the conclusion of her ambassadorial term in January 2025, she returned to her home state of California. Her transition back to private life has been marked by a major personal milestone. In December 2025, she announced the birth of her second daughter, Della Rose Quan, a miracle she welcomed after years of struggling with infertility. Where is Michelle Kwan now? As of now, Michelle Kwan is residing in Southern California, where she is balancing her new role as a mother of 2 with her ongoing professional and leadership commitments. She remains a prominent advocate for Special Olympics International and frequently appears at global leadership forums, such as her recent reflection on high performance and wellness during the Super Bowl LX weekend in early February 2026. Professionally, while she has stepped away from her formal diplomatic post in Belize, she remains a key figure in international circles and is often sought after for her expertise in public diplomacy. In her personal life, she has been open about her roller coaster fertility journey, using her platform to support other women facing similar challenges. She also maintains a connection to her roots, occasionally visiting the East-West Ice Palace in Artesia, a family-owned rink that houses much of her career memorabilia. Michelle Kwan has transformed from a teenage Olympic darling into a seasoned diplomat and devoted mother. While she has traded her competitive skates for the halls of international embassies, she continues to prove that she is no longer interested in fitting into a neat little box, prioritizing her family and her lifelong commitment to representing America above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite legends and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.